Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a weekly chore chart in Canva. We'll start right on the Canva homepage. In the search bar at the top, type chore chart. You'll see a variety of designs pop up, some playful, some minimal, some bold. Pick any template that matches your style and who it's for, whether it's kids, roommates, or a personal routine. If you're designing for kids, look for templates with bright colors or fun illustrations. They make chores feel less like a task and more like a game. For adults or shared apartments, a minimal, clean design works best. If you prefer not to use premium graphics, you can filter for free templates. Also, glance at the size and orientation so it fits how you plan to use it, like letter or A4 for easy printing. Think ahead about where you'll put the chart.
If it's going on a fridge, make sure the design isn't too busy and the font is large enough to read at a glance.
Once your template opens, click on the title area and replace it with weekly chore chart, or customize it with a family name or a specific theme. Keep your font choice simple and readable, especially if this will live on a fridge or a wall. Adjust the size so it's visible at a glance, and center it for a clean, balanced look. Next, edit the table. Click anywhere on the grid and update the days of the week, the names of family members or roommates, and the tasks you want to track. If your chart needs more space, add rows or columns using the toolbar. You can also drag cell borders to resize the layout so everything fits comfortably. Keep task names short and consistent, like dishes, laundry, or vacuum, to make daily check-ins quick and easy. Consider using symbols like check marks or stars for completed tasks. It gives a visual reward and makes tracking progress more satisfying. If you want to add a bit of personality, head to the left sidebar and click Elements. Search for check marks, stars, or cleaning icons. Then drag your favorites into the chart. Small icons can work as visual checkboxes or simple rewards, and they're especially helpful for younger users. Keep the design uncluttered so the chart remains functional. To make it look cohesive, change colors to match your theme. Click any box or shape and choose a color from the top toolbar. Bright, kid-friendly palettes can make chores feel more inviting, but prioritize contrast so text stays readable. If your template uses multiple shades, stick to 2 or 3 main colors for consistency. You can also use Canva's color palettes to quickly pick colors that look good together, or match your chart to your home decor for a more seamless look.
When you're ready to share or print, go to the upper right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF for printing. PDF standard is fine for most home printers. If you're posting or sharing digitally, PNG or JPG works great.
Double-check your page size and margins, and do a quick test print to ensure the text is clear and the colors look right. If you want, you can also duplicate this chart in Canva for different weeks, or create separate charts for morning and evening routines. This keeps everything organized and reusable. That's it for today's video. Now you know exactly how to create a weekly chore chart in Canva that's both practical and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more design tips, Canva tutorials, and productivity hacks. Be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss a new video.